This is the 5-step process to starting a fund. And I decided to create this video because when we rolled out our fund, most of the questions were, how do I start a fund? John, how do you start a fund? So I wanted to create this to help those that are looking to start a fund. And that's what we do. That's what I love to do. I love to help. So step one is figure out your business. And that's the intended use of the fund. Design an executive summary, detailed business case, and provide a copy to the investors when you're engaging in these conversations. So create a physical copy and a digital copy, email, and then have it in hand when you're meeting with investors. I found that having both helps. And then design, when you're designing that, you're going to have to design the fund structure. So this should probably be ahead of that one, but this really helps. Design the fund structure, have a conversation with an SEC attorney because you're going to be offering securities when you're designing this. So what kind of offering are you going to be offering your investors who are going to be investing in the fund? Is it going to be a 506B offering, or is it going to be a 506C offering? A 506B is more private and built on established relationships. And a 506C is you can make it more public, but you have to verify the accreditation status in a certified process. So speak to a SEC attorney to help design your ideal structure. Roll it out to your investors and get some soft commits. So depending on your structure that we already discussed, you could roll it out to your investors and get some soft commits. So engage with your investors, see who's interested, see who's not. Then I would move on to the 4th steps in this process, which is get your documents. Pay your attorney that helped you, figure out the fund structure, and then get those documents finalized, and then roll them out to your investors that are already soft committed. Getting the soft commits cuts the timeline in half in regards to not having to pay for the documents earlier, but then you get them done. You pay for them when you have the soft commits or the interest that you've already built a solid business plan around. So have your investors that soft committed, sign those legal documents, and then move on to the last part. The last part of it is the capital call. Have the investors of the fund now wire an ACH to the escrow account, and now you're off and running with your fund. So this is the 5-step process to creating your first fund. So figure out your business, the fund structure. Number 3 is the commits and engaging with your investors. 4 is legalizing the documents with your attorney. And then 5, the capital call. All right. And that's it. That's the 5-step process of creating your first fund.